When we suffer from underarm odor, most of us become desperate to find ways to eliminate it completely. Welcome to Lifestyle Stalkers. In this video you will learn more about some natural remedies for armpit odor. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you won't miss any of our lifestyle videos. One of the simplest ways to get rid of it is to wash your body with both soap and water daily, especially in the underarms. Which is more likely to smell because sweat from the underarms does not evaporate as readily as sweat from more exposed surfaces of the body. When bathing, it is always better to use a medicated deodorant soap, which prevents the return of bacteria for several hours. Showering, as well as washing your clothes regularly also help prevent underarm odor. Regarding the use of fabrics, it is always preferable to wear natural fabrics like cotton and silk, which helps in the absorption of perspiration better than the synthetic materials like polyester, rayon, and nylon. A lot of people also use deodorants, which help in masking underarm odor. Antiperspirants, both the over-the-counter and prescription varieties, also help in reducing the amount of localized perspiration. If all the artificial deodorants fail to help you solve your problem, then you can take the help of La Crystal Nature, which is a chunk of mineral salts which when applied, helps to keep odor-causing bacteria under control without causing any skin problems. Another traditional approach to fighting underarm odor is to take the help of Dronic, which is an electronic device that plugs overactive sweat ducts and keeps them blocked for up to 6 weeks. However, what we have discussed so far are mainly temporary measures. In order to achieve long-term freedom from underarm odor, we recommend the following natural antiperspirants. 1. Alcohol. If you wipe your underarms with alcohol, white vinegar, or witch hazel instead of a deodorant, it can help you in eliminating underarm odor. 2. Crystal rock. Use a crystal rock made from the mineral salt potassium alum instead of a deodorant. It might not keep you dry as prescription antiperspirants will, but it effectively clogs your sweat glands. It is also free of the chemical called aluminum chloral hydrate, that is present in the strongest antiperspirants, which may lead to future health problems. 3. Apple cider vinegar. This is also helpful in eliminating underarm odor when used in place of a deodorant because it reduces the pH of the skin, and odor-causing bacteria can't survive in areas of the skin with low pH. 4. White vinegar. Another helpful tool in eliminating underarm odor. You can soak some cotton ball in it and apply to the underarms instead of a deodorant. The vinegary smell will be gone within minutes, and you will be odor-free all day. 5. Baby powder and baby wipes. If used daily in areas that display heavy perspiration, also work, but the results may be temporary. 6. Baking soda. You can also use baking soda for its odor-eating capability. Just apply the powder to your dry underarms. It will kill bacteria and help absorb perspiration. You can also use cornstarch instead or mix it with the baking soda to form an effective combination. 7. Bauxite crystals work very well in controlling underarm odor. 8. Parsley, alfalfa and other leafy greens should be included in the diet because they can actually help in neutralizing body odor owing to the deodorizing effect of the chlorophyll present in these leaves. 9. Extract the juice of about 2 dozen radishes, mix this with a 1/4 teaspoon of glycerin, and use as an underarm deodorant. 10. If you dilute 8 to 10 drops of rosemary oil in an ounce of water, you can use the resulting mixture as a wonderful natural deodorant. 11. Drinking a cup of sage herb tea daily helps in reducing sweat gland activity. This is especially true if you perspire excessively owing to tension. You can mix 1½ teaspoons of dried sage or 2 tea bags in 1 cup of water, steep for 10 minutes, and drink in small doses throughout the day. 12. You can make yet another natural deodorant by diluting 2 drops of essential oil in an ounce of water and apply to the underarms. 13. Turnip juice is another effective way to reduce underarm odor, sometimes for as long as 10 hours. You can grate a turnip and squeeze the juice through cheesecloth, so that you have 2 teaspoonfuls. Wash your underarms first, and vigorously rub 1 teaspoonful of turnip juice under each one. 14. Take 500 milligrams of wheatgrass daily on an empty stomach and wash it down with a glass of water. The chlorophyll will dramatically reduce underarm odor. If you still want to use branded deodorants and antiperspirants to cover up your underarm odor and reduce underarm perspiration, make sure you know clearly about the ingredients that these products contain. Since most chemical deodorants and prescription antiperspirants are made using artificial fragrances, they react differently with different types of skin. Most commonly, however, they cause skin irritations like contact dermatitis, which causes your skin to redden, swell and itch madly. However, though some newspaper and internet articles have in the past charged deodorants and antiperspirants with causing such serious afflictions as cancer, hormonal imbalances and liver diseases, medical research is yet to establish a link. Finally, listen to your body. Too often, we tend to ignore the initial symptoms of an underarm sweat problem because we think it is a temporary manifestation. Do not make this mistake. With time, not only will the problem not disappear on its own, but you will find yourself falling a victim to underarm odor, which will cause you untold social embarrassment and financial burdens in the form of repeated purchases of antiperspirants and deodorants, and even more extreme form of treatment like surgery and Botox injections. So, the moment you think your underarm odor is reaching unmanageable proportions, take steps now. Check out our recent clip as well here in Lifestyle Stalkers. Be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.